and I'm back with my video. And today, do y'all like, let's see. I want to see which setting I like more. Because I have my makeup table and then I have my slime table. But this is a small room. But this is a rental house. And so, because my dad, I don't know if I shared this story before. My dad bought land. So we're gonna build a house here. My room is gonna be pretty big. I like this right here. I like this. Comment down below which one you like. I'm just gonna do this for now. I'm gonna go get my slimes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna be showing you what happens to your slimes after you put it in the refrigerator for 4 or 5 hours. I had softball practice in Abilene, and that was 2 hours. Then we went to go hang out. So yeah, it's about 4 or 5 hours. Probably 4, but probably 5, estimating. 4, but 5. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's just show you. I haven't felt these slimes yet, so yeah. So I'm gonna start off with blue, my blue slime. Oh, it got hard. It was a butter slime, but it was really good, but it turned kind of hard. It still feels really nice, but it's cold. Oh my gosh. It's cold. So cold. Oh. It's all the haters out here, guys. They're so hard to get out of your life. Bullies are so hard to get out of your life. But when you be a leader, they're out of your life. So yeah, let's listen to the clickies. And sorry guys, I know it's black. That sounded really. It still has a really good spreadable texture. Let's listen to the clicky sound. See if you can see that. So yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, that's with clay in it. Oh, this is the one that dyes your hands. Sorry for the background noises. It's just my loud and amazing family. I feel like they're about to come in my room. You can see my door, so if they come in, you'll know. I will edit it out. I don't like editing because I like y'all to know everything I do is true.
Hey, let's go in the shower.
Told you. I'm making a YouTube video here. Yeah, but I'm already halfway through.
After the YouTube video, we can go.
Okay, can I take a shower at the YouTube?
Yes, I'll take a shower first.
Thanks. Oh, okay. My dog's in here now. Great. Look, can I have the camera? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Get off, you big dog. All right. So the next slime is this little bit of a stickier slime, and I froze this. And I put it in the refrigerator. So yeah. Oh, okay. It's still pretty sticky. Not really though. And it's another slime we thought is going to be coming out. Maybe not this week. Probably tomorrow. Maybe. I'm not promising you anything. Okay, so look. Let's show you. It looks like a blob. Guys, that looks so much like a blobfish. It's still pretty stretchy. Not really. But once these thaw out, they're going to be amazing still. Maybe, I hope. Oh, at Solar Parks today, I hurt my knee. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it was my bad knee too. Yeah, it's still pretty good slime. I like it still. I rate this one like maybe like a 6 out of 10. Maybe like a 5. Yeah, I rate it like a 5 or a 4. Probably a 5. This slime, where's it at? This one I rate it like a 6 maybe, because it's still like a really good slime. I like the texture of it. So put it back in the bag, put it back in the spot. I like this because you can have more like positions instead of like taking forever. It's a good position. Boomer, stop sniffing your butt. Alright, so this next slime is like my mint slime, or it's like a really pretty green slime. I had it made for my friend Carly because she likes it, but me and her got in a fight, so I'm not sure. This still feels amazing, and it's not even cold. What? It's still stretchy, and it feels exactly like clay. Ew, it's my mouth. Huh. Ew. Eh. Okay. Yeah, it's still really good slime. I'm not even going to try the clicky sound because it has no clicky sound because it is just clay. It has no clicky sound. But it feels really nice. It's just a good... Boomer, stop chewing up my shorts. Oh my gosh. Stop. Boomer is so gross. Chewing on my own shorts. Oh no. Just no to the no to the no. Oh no. My name is... I would show you the spread, but like I feel like this video, I'm only like on the 3rd slime. Yeah. They're probably warmer by now. Oh, this one's cold. This is my mint milk slime. My mint milk slime. This is like a super thick texture. Oh my god. Should I do a tutorial how to make it? Probably. This is just because it's cold. It's super stretchy when it's not cold. Honestly, I think I put this in the freezer. I think I put this one and my blue one in the freezer. That's why they're probably, yeah, this is why this one's so cold. It's a super thick texture and it is super stretchy when it's not frozen. I'll do some more videos later tonight of how to make some slime. So yeah, it's a really, really good slime. I'm in love. See, it's stretchy now. It's kind of thawed out now. I've had these out for at least 15 minutes now. Because I forgot, I wasn't planning on doing a video. I just had these in here because they were sitting outside, so I decided to put it in here. So, that's how that story goes. So, yeah, see how it's like stretching now? It's still really, really cold, but it's going to get stretchier as you let it thaw out. Just listen to sound. It's super special. So I think that's all my slimes. Yeah, that is all my slimes. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more of this face. And I'm really funny. I have a good personality. Just please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And comment below if you want me to do any challenges. I will put them on a list. I went to Walmart the other day and got a list, and it says challenges. It says dare list, so it's gonna be like my challenge. It says dares/challenge list, and I was like, oh, I should buy that, and it was only like $8. I was like, why not? So yeah, it was actually a really good price because it's about like that, and then it's like that, and then it comes with like a little pin inside that it has like all this. It has like number 1, number 2, number 3. It's like numbers on there, but like for dares, you know. It's really cool. It's at my mom's house though, so just comment down below what you want me to do, and I will write that on the list. Love you guys. Bye.